What's up guys, it's Ryan with the MXG channel again. We got another little teaser drop from KTM I wanted to show you guys real quick. Won't take up a whole lot of your time. One, we got that photo that I showed you last week that I didn't know where it came from. It was a KTM official photo. I didn't see where they had released it, but they've released it now. And we also get a very cool shot of the front of the motor with the pipe coming out. Looks pretty cool. And there's a really nice front end shot as well. You get to see the controls and the front number plate and the front fender. And I will tell you, I got to ride the new bike on Friday, the 450 factory edition, and that new front fender, something about being a little shorter, a little wider, it's way more pleasant to look at. You don't see the tire. It's got less flop, it's more sturdy. I don't know, something, I just liked it better. Maybe it was just a chain. Now on top of that, they also dropped this cool photo, which can be confusing at first glance, and then it really just looks like it's a light they put inside the airbox, which looks super cool. And then we get to see the clutch cover here. It's got the bars like the KTM always has on the clutch cover, and it's got some texture, and it just tells you that the online launch is May 10th at 5 p.m., which is a little later in the day than I had hoped, but you know. And of course the comments are all over the place in these posts. There's people showing the spy photos of the bikes that we've showed you guys. There's people complaining about how expensive they're going to be. There's people that are saying bring back the 300 SX. There's a lot of fun stuff going on, so it's an exciting time to be part of the KTM group. Yeah guys, hope you like those photos, and it's beautiful, a beautiful day in Appalachia. So I'm gonna go home and maybe hop on that new factory edition and ride it again. So thanks, I'll see you guys tomorrow to talk about the Kawasaki announcement. Later.